Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am so excited to announce my new collection of to-do lists to you guys. Introducing the Gradient Collection. The Gradient Collection features the daily to-do list, the weekly to-do list. Both are with brand new backgrounds and updated formatting. And the Gradient Collection also features the everywhere to-do list and the weekly extended to-do list. These two products have been the hardest secret I've ever had to keep in my entire life. I want to scream from the rooftop about how much I love these things. I cannot believe I just said them out loud. I've been holding this in for so long. I am obsessed with these brand new two products. I love them. These 4 products were created around your guys' feedback. When I did the Sunset Collection, which was the very first collection I ever did, I had no feedback. It was just me putting my ideas onto paper and turning it into something. After the Sunset Collection, I got a lot of feedback from you guys. I was asking, what do you like? What don't you like? What would you change? What would you want to keep the same? I was able to take that feedback and put it into these new products, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for your feedback because I genuinely feel like I made better products because of it. Let's break it down product by product. I want to give you guys all the information. I'm like overheating. I'm so excited. I'm like sweating. Doubles as a fan. Let's start off with the daily to-do list. You guys know her. You guys love her. The daily to-do list is very similar to the Sunset Collection in terms of the formatting. When I say formatting, I mean everything but the background design. So all the lines, the circles, the time slots, the heading. When I say formatting, that's what I mean. Basically everything but the background. The camera is washing these out. The camera always does this to me. I love so many things about this to-do list. Just like the Sunset Collection, we have the date line, so you can put the month, the day, and the year in here. I love planning ahead for my to-do list where I'll plan like several days in advance, so having the date on here always helps me not be confused. We also have the circle check boxes. I always say this, but I think circles are cuter than squares. You can also do more than just check them off. You can circle them in, cross it out. There's a million different ways of checking off your to-do list. My favorite thing about this is the time slots. When I made a to-do list, the number one thing that I wanted to do was add time slots. So just like the Sunset Collection, there's a little time slot where you can put the time and then circle AM and PM. The way that I use this to-do list personally is if I have any set plans, so I have an appointment, plans with a friend, and it's at a certain time, I always put the time in there. That helps me stay on track. If you like to time block, which is planning your day by the hour, you can also use this and create your own little custom time blocking. I wanted to talk about what changes I made to this because although this looks very similar, it's actually quite different. It's a million little details that are different, but they add up in my opinion. First thing that you probably can't see because the camera's washing it out is I actually made everything a little bit darker. So all the lines, the circle, the text, it's all a little bit darker. It was a super light gray with the Sunset Collection, and with this I made it a little bit of a darker gray, which just makes it easier to see and stand out. A lot of people said that they wish the lines were a little bit darker, so that's what I did here. I also moved the title around. With the Sunset Collection, there was kind of like a big gap here that was able for me to add one additional line. I know that's not much, but it's still one additional line. I played around with the idea of making the daily to-do list even a little bit smaller, and I showed it to a couple of people and they're like, that's a little underwhelming. I was still able to move it around to add an extra line for you guys. I also made this date line a little bit larger, so when you're writing the date, you don't have to squish it in there. I also made the circles slightly bigger. I had one person request for them to be slightly bigger, so Abby, there you go. And the biggest change to this, which I think made the biggest difference, was I made the time slots a little bit bigger. I widened the margins of it, and then I gave more spacing between the AM and PM. With the Sunset Collection, the margins for when you write the time were a little smaller than I wish they would have been, so I was able to make this bigger, and I think it fits perfect when you write 12:34 p.m. It fits perfectly in there, which I really love. I think it made a huge difference. Now doing that, I didn't want to take up a ton of room on the lines, so what I did was I moved the lines a little bit closer into the margins, just a little bit to add some extra space. The time slots are bigger, but there is still a ton of room to write your tasks for the day. And another thing that I changed was the little phrase at the bottom. So with the Sunset Collection, it says enjoy today, and with this one it says you are who you plan to be. I love that saying. I saw it somewhere and I was like, Ooh, I love that. It really stuck with me and I wanted to add it to this little to-do list for you guys. I think it's just a nice little touch and it makes me smile every time I see it. I actually went with a different supplier for this collection, so the pages are a lot thicker, the cardboard is thicker, the glue is stronger. I don't expect everyone to know everything about paper. I actually learned a lot creating these about paper thickness. These notepads are made of 70-pound paper, which I don't expect you to know what that means, but for reference, copy paper, printer paper, you know, that kind of paper. We know what that kind of paper is like. That is typically anywhere between 20 and 30-pound paper. Each sheet of paper of these notepads are over 2 to 3 times thicker than a regular sheet of copy paper. I know. The pen glides so smoothly on this paper. I am obsessed with it. I love a good pen. I love when a pen writes so smooth. It is so satisfying on these pages. It is such thick, good quality paper. When you touch this, you'll be like, whoa, this is thick. This is nice. Everyone that I've given samples of these two are like, this is nice paper. And I'm like, I know. It also comes with this incredible, amazing background. I wanted to do a collection that was just really colorful and bright and also slightly gender neutral, although this does lean a little bit more towards the girly side. I definitely have shown this to a bunch of guys and they're like, I would so use that. Each product only comes in one background, so you can only get this background with the daily to-do list. I hope one day in the future to be able to have options where you can get the daily to-do list in a bunch of different background options, but this is a completely self-funded project. All of this came out of my savings account. We're not there yet, and I really hope that one day I will be able to be there and offer that, but for now, each design only comes in one format, so you can only get this background in the daily to-do list. Now let's talk about specs. So this is 5x7, which is the same as the Sunset Collection daily to-do list. It's like the perfect little size. This comes in 50 pages. I do want to be honest and say that is a little bit less pages than came in the Sunset Collection. That is for a couple of reasons. First of all, I got a lot of feedback saying that people thought they were too bulky, which I completely understand. I thought they were a little bulky. 50 pages is a standard to-do list. When you find to-do lists out on the market, you pretty much find them for 50 pages. Also, another really big reason was, we know, the supply chain inflation. The prices of creating these have gone up significantly. I didn't want to have to raise my prices to be able to match that inflation and to be able to make a profit on these. But something that was really important to me was I did not want to price these at something that I would not personally buy myself, that I would think is too much. This is $9.99 plus tax and shipping. All these that you see are going to be 50 pages as well, but this is the daily to-do list. Let's go into the everything to-do list. I love this one, you guys. This product was created because of your feedback. I had no intention of making this product at all, but your feedback gave me a great insight onto what product I should make next, and that was the everything to-do list. Some of the feedback that led to me creating this was some people did not like the time slots on the to-do list, some did, so I wanted to make kind of a more daily style to-do list, one with time slots and one without, for people that like both. I wanted to create products that work for everyone, not just me. Other people thought the daily to-do list was too wide. Other people thought there needed to be more lines on the to-do list, and people also said that they wanted to be able to carry their to-do list in their purses, in their backpack, in their work bag. So I wanted to create this to-do list. When I think of a traditional to-do list, this is exactly what I think of: a long skinny paper with lines, really simple, straight to the point. This was designed to bring everywhere and be used for anything, to use this however you would like to. Although this is a to-do list, I use this for many things. I use this as a grocery list. I'll write down content ideas. I will use this as a to-do list. I use this as a packing list. I use this as any kind of list that I need. If I have like a brain dump of things that I want to write down, I always gravitate towards this to-do list. This to-do list can be used for whatever you like, however you want. Every single one of these to-do lists can be used for whatever you like, but this one in particular is what I made for your everything. My mom uses this to tell my stepdad what things he needs to do around the house. I've given this to friends and they use it to write down their TikTok ideas that they want to post. This can be used in a million different ways for however you want it to be used. I did add the date spot up here, so there's the month, the day, and the year. I just wanted to add that. I always think that's a really nice touch, and it always really helps me when I'm planning. This one also has more lines than the daily to-do list. This one has 26 lines to it, so there's plenty of things that you can write. I don't know if I've ever filled up one of these completely, all the lines. This one also has the super thick paper, cardboard, and strong glue. I love the design on this one. This one's kind of more pastel-y a little bit. I wanted to make it a little bit more minimal of a design, but still fun, just because these things get written on a lot with so many ideas that I didn't want the background to distract. The dimensions of this are 4 by 8.25, 50 pages, and it's $5.99 plus tax and shipping. Moving on into the weekly to-do list. So this is very similar to the Sunset Collection to-do list, but there actually is quite a few changes that I made to this. This one product in particular is the one that I made the most changes to. Can we just talk about this background? I love this background. The more that I look at it, the more that I'm obsessed with it. I think it is so sleek, so like that girl, that to-do list. Love her. I love this thing. I use the weekly to-do list to plan out my week. So this has Monday through Sunday and then a notes section. I use the notes section for anything and everything. I put reminders, I put phone numbers. A lot of the times I will put things that I need to do throughout the week, but it doesn't matter what day I need to do that. I'll just put it in the note section. I live by this weekly to-do list. This is how I plan out my week, and this is my number one thing that really helps me stay productive. It helps me know what I need to do when, and I rarely ever miss something when I use this. Like I said, I made the most changes to this one. So first of all, I made the formatting, the lines, the words a little bit darker, like I did with the daily to-do list. All of them come with the same darkness format. I don't know if that's the right word. I also made the boxes around the days a little bit darker and thicker, just to kind of like establish each day and kind of separate it a little bit more. I also made the date spots a little bit larger, just so you can write the date and you don't have to squish it. Made the circles a little bit bigger. There you go, Abby. I got you, girl. I also got rid of the time slots on this one. I wanted to make a weekly to-do list with the time slots and without, so the weekly extended has the time slots. Like I said, some people really did not like the time slots, so I took it out of this one, which makes the lines for your tasks a lot larger. I love planning my weeks with this. I love that it's still compact. It's not too big. It's perfect for fitting in your backpack, putting on your desk. It's so cute. I used to bring this to class with me because it's the perfect size. This one also comes with the thick paper, the thick cardboard, the strong glue. We know the drill. This is 6.5 by 9. Here's it in comparison to my head. I don't know if that helps. You probably don't know how big my head is, but rather big. 50 pages like all the others, and it is $14.99 plus tax and shipping. Now let's talk about this guy right here. This is the weekly extended. This is the one that I am the most excited about. Every time that I show people this in person, they're like, oh, I love that. And I'm like, I know, me too. This one is my child. When I came up with the idea of making it as big as it is, I knew it was a home run for me. Love this thing like it is my child. I love all of these like they're my children. I don't have children, so I have notepads. These are my babies. I view both of the weeklies, especially this one because it's so large, as more of a planner than a to-do list. I view it as like a weekly planner to-do list hybrid. It fits so much on here. It's kind of like a master to-do list planner all in one. I love this thing. First and foremost, we have the darker formatting like all the other ones, and I kept the time slots on here. I love the time slot. If you don't like the time slots, there is a smaller weekly, or you can still get this and not use them if you don't want to. I made the time slots wider and larger so it's easier to write the time in there. I made the AM and PM spaced out more so it's easier to circle, but because this is so large, there's still so much room to write your task on the line. I also made the date formatting a little bit larger too, just to write the date on it so you can see it there. Each day has 10 lines on it. There's also the note section as well, which like I said, you can use it for a million other things. I love the background on this. Stunning. She is a moment. The more that I look at it, the more obsessed with it that I am. You're probably wondering, Keegan, this thing is huge. How big is this? This is the size of a copy sheet of paper. 8.5 by 11. So take out a regular copy sheet of paper. That is the size of this. Isn't that incredible? It's amazing. The thing that I love about this so much is it's a large notepad, but because the paper is so thick, the cardboard is so thick, the glue is so strong, it really holds it together. I've never had an issue with this ever. I have thrown this in my backpack, in my purse, in my work bag a million times, and I've never had an issue with this falling apart because the paper is so thick, the glue is so strong, the cardboard is so thick. It really holds together. I've never had an issue with this being too big. Like I said, if it's perfectly in my backpack, in my work bag, 50 pages like the rest of them, and it is $19.99 plus tax and shipping. The reason for that price is just simply that it's so large. I am totally and completely biased, but I do use all 4 of these. I flip-flop throughout them throughout the days, throughout the weeks, depending on what's going on. If I have a lot going on, I love a weekly to-do list. I always use my daily to-do list as well if I have a day that is super duper busy, or if I have a lot going on throughout the week. Sometimes I like just looking at the daily to-do list and not having the distraction of the rest of the week. I also will use them in tandem with my everything to-do list. I'll write on my weekly or on my daily, go grocery shopping, and I'll put my grocery list on the everything to-do list. So I use them all together. I don't just use one at a time. I'm constantly using all 4 of them. I love a to-do list. We know. Little Miss obsessed with to-do lists. That's me. When you order them, I wanted to show you what comes in your package. Let's say that you order a weekly to-do list and everything to-do list. These will come in your order, duh. They all come plastic wrapped and sealed. So last time they came in a plastic bag that was taped over. This time they come in a sealed plastic bag. They all come in this. This is super thick plastic as well. I think it's almost twice as thick as the last plastic that I used for the Sunset collections. They come nice and protected, and then all you have to do is open up the seal. But I am personally packaging and sealing and shipping every single one of these. So every single to-do list that you get was personally packaged, cared for, loved, touched by me, my children. It's like sending my kids off to college, shipping them off to you. I cannot believe I'm showing you guys these. I've been working on this for over a year now. They also come with this cutie little thank you card that I made. The first couple of orders, I don't know how many yet. the first good chunk of orders will get a handwritten thank you note from me. They also will come in cutie little parcels. If you guys ordered last time, you guys remember they came in this cute little cactus print. So they will either come in this cute cactus print or this cute watermelon print. I wanted it to be cute. I wanted it to be exciting for you guys to open it. You're probably wondering, how do I buy this? That is a great question. You guys can buy them on keeganacton.com. I will have the link to the website down below in the description. They launch August 1st at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I will put the conversion to as many time zones as I possibly can, but for me, at least August 1st, 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can also pre-order these right now. If you go to the link in the description, keeganacton.com, you can pre-order them. They will not be shipped out until after they launch, but if you want to make sure to get your hands on them, there is a limited quantity available. Once they're gone, they're gone. I said this with the Sunset collection and no one believed me, but I have no plans of reprinting these at all. Once they're gone, they're gone. Take my word for it. So if you guys want to get them now, you guys can pre-order them at keeganacton.com. These do ship internationally, so no matter where you live, you can get your hands on them. If you order them internationally, you will have to pay probably a higher shipping rate, just throwing that out there. Now let's talk about the bundle. If you guys want to get multiple of these or all of these, you can actually bundle them and save a little bit of money. If you remember with the Sunset collection, we had a bundle of the weekly and daily to-do list. How the bundle works for these is you can, this is upside down, sorry. How the bundle works for these is you can select any two of these products. It doesn't matter which ones. You can do 2 weeklies, you can do the daily everything, you can do any kind of variety of 2 of them, and it will save you $2. You can make multiple bundles. If you want to do a bundle of each, you can do as many bundles as you want to do, but there's a little section on the website that says bundle. You select your 2 and then it gets the discount for you right in the cart. You can also pre-order your bundles as well. Let's talk digital to-do lists. These will become digital to-do lists once they either sell out or get close to selling out. I just really need to focus on shipping them out before we deal with the digital to-do list. I do genuinely just want to say thank you to you guys so much. Thank you for allowing me to chase my dreams and to create these products and to live this life that gives me the opportunity to chase my dreams that I've had since I was like a little kid. If anyone knows me, you know that I've been obsessed with to-do lists for as long as I can live, and the fact that I could make 4 of my own is literally mind-blowing, and I'm about to cry right now thinking about it. None of this would ever happen if it wasn't for you guys. I love you so much. You mean the whole world to me, and this is all thanks to you, and I will never forget that. I love you guys so much. But that is the Gradient collection. I really hope that you guys like these. I hope that you guys are wanting to get them. Like I said, you can pre-order them now, so go to keeganacton.com. The link is in the description. Again, they fully launch August 1st at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so you can always get them when they launch as well. I hope you guys love them as much as I do, and my little babies, I'm like setting them off into the world. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.